Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best burgers. To begin, choose high-quality ground beef, ideally an 80% lean and 20% fat blend. This ratio ensures maximum juiciness and flavor. It is crucial not to overwork the meat, as this can lead to a tough burger. Handle it gently and keep it cold until you are ready to form your patties for the best results. Now, let's prepare those perfect patties. Season your ground beef generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Remember, this is your primary seasoning. Gently form the meat into patties about 3/4 of an inch thick, making them slightly wider than your buns, as they will shrink. Crucially, press a shallow thumbprint into the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging into a ball while cooking. Cooking is where the magic happens. Heat your cooking surface, whether it's a cast iron skillet or a grill, to a very high temperature. Place your patties down and resist the urge to press them or move them around. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for a medium-rare burger, flipping only once. In the final minute, add a slice of your favorite cheese to melt perfectly over the hot patty. Finally, it's time to assemble your ultimate burger. First, lightly toast your buns. This adds a crucial textural element and prevents them from getting soggy. Next, layer on your fresh toppings, like crisp lettuce, ripe tomato slices, and thinly sliced onion for a burst of freshness. Complete your masterpiece with your preferred sauces, perhaps a classic ketchup and mustard or a gourmet aioli. Enjoy your perfectly crafted burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.